Hey guys, Chaser here and welcome to another keyboard video of the Ducky One 2 SF 2019 version. Right, kung naghahanap kayo ng keyboard na pang productivity and gaming and nabibiting kayo sa compact 60%, then this keyboard is definitely the one you are looking for. This is a 65% keyboard, meron siyang arrow keys and some useful keys. So kung gusto nyo ng hot swap version, you should get the Mecha edition. Since this keyboard is a non-hot swap version, meron kang option na i-convert siya into hot swap by doing a mil-max mod. So before we move on, first impression muna. Let's try the keyboard. So upon testing the stabs, mukhang okay naman siya. There is less rattle. And as you can hear, yung mga switches medyo scratchy pa. Okay, so this keyboard weighs around 613.4 grams or half kilo. And this one is the adjustment. Meron siyang dalawang klaseng adjustment. And the back portion is solid. Pwede siyang lagyan ng foam. Okay naman yung mga stabs niya. Medyo may wobble lang sa housing, but it's a solid stab. And kailangan lang ng konting adjustment para ma-minimize yung wobble niya. Now, the keys are 1.2 millimeters. Makapal siya. Kaya maganda yung tunog niya. And at the same time, it's a PBT keycaps. Right, mga switches naman. This is the original Cherry Speed Silver. 45 ang ang actuation niya, ang bottom out. It's a linear switch, good for gaming and typing. Kailangan lang ilug para mawala yung scratchiness niya. So ganito yung tunog ng stock. Maganda kung naka-headphones kayo para mas detailed yung sound na maririnig niyo. Alright? I'll see you on the next video. Thank you for watching, guys.